Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your TCL TAB Max 10. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin a search for an app. Enter Firefox, like this. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here you can customize it by changing the theme, picking your toolbar placement, selecting always on privacy settings, signing up to synchronize Firefox between other devices, lastly reading privacy notice, and at the end click on start browsing. Here we should be able to access any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.